have your soundboard. What's your soundboard? Soundboards are bannable. Well, that last one isn't really a question, but okay. In my last video, I trolled people with a soundboard, and a few of you wanted to know how I got it. So, today, I'll be going over how to download and use my soundboard in VR. Shout out to SoundBoard, who made this soundboard for the record. He's a really funny guy, and you should check him out. Link in the description. Without further ado, let's get into it. First thing you want to do is install the soundboard itself. This is called SoundBoard, and you can just download it for free right here. And yeah, hit save. You're also going to want to install Desktop Plus if you want to do all of this in VR. Quick disclaimer, you need to be on PC in order to do anything in this tutorial. So make sure you have SteamVR installed and any VR game you want to do this with. Okay, thanks for letting me interrupt, and let's get back to the tutorial. And yes, it's free, so you can just get it, install it to local drive, and you are good to go, my friend. Also, if you'd like to simply click a button on your controller to play a sound, you are going to need OpenVR 2 key. As soon as it downloads, you're going to want to right-click the file and press extract all, extract, and it should just pop up here. Okay, now that you've got that installed, head back to Steam here and go to the bottom left where it says add a game. Add a non-Steam game, and then click Browse. You're going to want to go to Downloads, open up this file you just extracted, and double-click OpenVR 2 key. Go back down here, pull this window back up. You'll see it now says Add Selected Programs. Just click that, and OpenVR 2 key should pop up. Immediately, you're going to want to go to Properties, and see it down here where it says Include in VR Library. Just click that real quick. For this next step, make sure you have your headset plugged in because you're going to need to enter VR mode. Now that you have VR up and running, you'll see that OpenVR 2 launched for me immediately. And there's a reason I have that. You're going to want to head to Settings, Startup Shutdown, make sure you have advanced settings on. Actually, no, it doesn't matter. And see where it says Choose Startup Overlay Apps? Click that and make sure OpenVR 2 key and Desktop Plus are both set to on. Make sure you restart SteamVR in order to take effect. Now that you have OpenVR 2 key set up and everything, Desktop Plus is installed, let's head back to Files, and if you haven't already, you're just going to want to run the SoundBoard installer. Click yes if it asks you to make changes to your device. Don't worry, it won't do anything weird. And it will say, welcome to the SoundBoard setup. This installer will guide you through the setup process. Let's get started. It'll just start installing on your computer. Finish. And if you had that box checked, SoundBoard should launch automatically. And for me, since I've had this app installed before, I already have a bunch of stuff ready. So now that you have this ready, you're going to want to head to Settings. It might take you through a setup for your microphone, so if it does, just do what I'm doing here. Your headphones, you're going to want to set this to your VR's speaker. Microphone, you're going to want to set this to your VR's microphone, and it's as simple as that. You can now play sounds on this. Click any of these, you'll hear it in your headset, and anyone else in the game should hear it, provided you do this setup. Let's clean this all up. You have Desktop Plus and OpenVR 2 key set up to launch automatically. Alright, hopefully now that you have all this set up, you should just be able to open your SteamVR dashboard. And you'll notice at the bottom, there's a new little button here, Desktop Plus. You can now see your desktop, and I have a bit of an infinite mirror here, as you can see. You're just going to want to press Add Overlay, Desktop, because honestly, doing the window thing can cause some issues. So make sure you're doing your desktop. You can also enable drag mode if you want to kind of get it in a good spot, but you basically want to put it in the spot that you want it. And you can even connect it to one of your controllers, like your elbow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my controller here, my elbow's right here. I'm going to put it in the spot I want it, disable drag mode, and then I'm going to select this desktop, and you can tell it's this one because it's glowing blue. You're going to want to click Properties, Play Area, and then the controller you want to attach it to. So left controller. And now, if I move my controller, the desktop moves with it. We can also change the size and such. Make sure that you toggle keybinds on if you want to use keybinds. Now, I'm just gonna make sure I have open VR 2 key open, and now it should be detecting my inputs. So let's just figure out what's the right bottom button. R14. So now that I know that, I'm going to scroll down to R14, and let's bind it to A. No, sorry, just A. Click on any other one of these to let go of that. Let's minimize. Go to SoundBoard, and let's do Obi-Wan Kenobi. Hello there.
Hello there.
Over on the right here, keybind, and I'm going to select A. Now when I click A on my keyboard,
Hello there.
you'll hear hello there. But let's head to VR real quick. As you can see, I do not have my desktop open on my elbow, but if I click A,
Hello there.
you hear the sound. Hopefully, if you've done all the steps correctly, you should now have a working soundboard in VR. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you've watched all the way through, I hope this tutorial helped in some way. And subscribe. See you later.